bit of Basu Rai Chaudhary, which was
As regards the TET conducting
TET and
S. Basu and company conducted the TET.
TET and also the selection process. Both TET and the selection process. Not only
Which page you are?
Kindly come to Milord. The report.
Tell us from the reach petition that report has been annexed.
Yes.
No, that was a part. In the report, there is a part of it. Not I referred.
Yes.
By the way, I was not trying to place the original affidavit which was filed before the court. Some excerpts were given in the reach petition. There was the original affidavit not.
If you can curtail it down to this, otherwise we have to take another one.
No.
Records,
Lordship did not. Lord, that is there already before your Lordship. We are placing the relevant paragraphs. This has been referred to particularly. Now, instead of placing the portion of it, I am placing the entire affidavit, the relevant portion of it.
Page.
This is paragraph 6 of the said affidavit.
At which page of the compilation?
The first document is the affidavit.
Oh.
The affidavit by Ms. Kaushik Maji.
Yes.
Page number 2. Page number 2.
Paragraph 6.
Where is that? What is the page number of that extract which was annexed to this guided by?
Page 221.
Page 221.
No, maybe a subject copy.
Yes.
Last time, yes.
Everything has been served. Soft copy দিয়েছে প্রত্যেককে।
Mr. Biswas, don't worry, we shall show it to you. The document we shall show you. Yes.
Rakesh Mondal.
Which page you want to show, Mr. Bhattacharya?
Where I am referring, my lord,
From paragraph internet page 7, it is there. In the combined, in the
yes, but not the paragraph 6 and onwards, the relevant portions of taking the responsibility that has to be placed.
that you have showed us. Paragraph 6 onwards has been
Not the entirety. But দুশো একুশ আবার করো।
You want to show us paragraphs?
26 টা ছিল মূল ভলিউমে, আমরা গোটাটা দেখাচ্ছি।
That is only, my lord, the paragraph 26 was quoted there.
Yes.
But may I just read out for your lordship's consideration? But these are relevant portions, which is because my basic challenge is that this is the institutional corruption, and the institutional corruption originated from the day one when you have selected the agency for doing all this exercise, which was supposed to be done by the statutory authorities. And this engagement of private agency in violation of the law voids everything, and that's a settled law decided by this court in other proceedings.
So why you are saying this Messrs. S. Basu conducted the interview also, aptitude also? Why you are saying that?
That is their own affidavit. That's why I'm not placing this.
You yourself, board, they themselves produce the list of interviewers that the court checked up. 165 questions were put. Nowhere any partner or any entity of S. Basu was called by the court.
No, my lord, then court wanted them to file an affidavit disclosing the facts. This is the affidavit. This affidavit, my lord, is pursuant to direction of the court.
But this has not, we did not find subject to correction reference to this affidavit in the judgment.
May not be. Lordship is
just we are specific.
may not be. But my lord,
The argument is otherwise. We just
when the materials are before the court,
all right.
in Mahamud submission, court will not be invited to not to look into that.
Which paragraph you are
So that 2-3 paragraphs, my lord, kindly come to me, lord. Paragraph 6 of the said affidavit. I state in or about the month of February 2014, the president of the West Bengal Primary Board asked Mr. Gautam Mukherjee, the partner of Basu Rai Company, to give a quotation. Here, entire thing, my lord, originates. I ask you, please give a quotation. And then entity proceeded. For the work of printing and delivery of OMR sheet and processing of result of candidates appearing at the Teachers Eligibility Test 2014.
Yes.
Then kindly come to paragraph 9. I state that as per the direction of the West Bengal Board of Primary Education, Basura and Company complied the order mentioned in the letter 10th of February 2014. Then paragraph 11. I state that West Bengal Board of Primary Education sent Messrs. Basura and Company some guidelines to prepare the result as per their guidelines. Publish the result on
No, one copy was in the chamber.
Oh.
Yes, Vishal.
Now kindly come to, now I am at the paragraph 12. At the internal page 4.
You have showed us this.
Yes, I think I have shown that. Yes, therefore, not if I have already shown that, I am not be wasting time repeating that. Therefore, I will not insist upon the principles of law which I want to learn at once, that the selection of an outside agency, though law permits, I shall also not show that that permission was also not properly followed. And you have had a prior party in your mind. You did not invite open tender or inviting all competent persons in the field. Please give your quotation so that it can be done impartially. You have chosen one, and that they have followed your instruction to prepare all these things. And what were the scope of work and what they have not discharged? This is very important to buttress my argument.
Yes.
Kindly come to page 32. I am not sure whether I had not placed paragraph 15 and 19 onwards with regard to the selection of teachers also. Then paragraph 15. I state that the West Bengal Primary Board on 14 September 2016 by a letter asked us to develop an online application portal for the qualified candidates for submission of details and collection of fees and for scrutiny verification of the qualified candidates. This is a very sensitive and grey area to scrutiny and verification of the qualified candidates. Then in paragraph 16, as per the instruction given by the board on 14 September 2016, these are all with regard to selection, not TET. Basura and Company by a letter dated so gave a proposal to the West Bengal Board of Primary Education for doing such work. 17. I state that the West Bengal Board of Primary Education notified on its website the link would be created for the qualified candidates to fill up their details by and to pay the required fees for the same. The said notification was published for the vacancy of 41,559 posts, subject to modification. Then Lordship may kindly come to paragraph 19. I state that the West Bengal Board of Primary Education directed Basura and Company to provide a scrutiny verification list as per the district-wise, and the same was submitted to the West Bengal Board along with the attendance sheet of the candidates. Therefore, the entire thing is being done by Basura. The scrutiny verification list has provisions for writing of Viva marks, aptitude marks, and extracurricular marks by the scrutinizer, along with the remark, if any, against each candidate. Then Lordship may skip over the other paragraphs. Kindly then turn to paragraph 23. I state that as per the requirement of the board, Basura Company updated the same in the data of the candidates and sent to the board a final error list containing errors marked by the system. for checking and get it verified with error list provided by the board. I state that the board sent us the updated final error list of the candidates clearing the errors marked by the system. I state that the West Bengal board asked Basu Rai to prepare the initial empanelment list for trained and untrained candidates separately category-wise, medium-wise. Said list was prepared by the company and delivered. List of trained and untrained candidates separately category-wise, medium-wise. The said list was prepared by the company. Kindly note this. List was prepared by the company and delivered to the West Bengal Board of Primary Education on the dates indicated below. Then 27. I state that Basu Rai company received the request from the board on different dates to prepare an additional panel. The dates are mentioned.
Yes.
Then paragraph 29. I state that Basu Rai company prepared additional panel lists and submitted to the board on different dates. The additional panel lists were sent through emails, as well as some of them were served upon the board physically. So these are the areas which really...
Yes.
Oh, sorry, para 32 is important. Mr. Gautam Mukherjee, a partner of Basu Rai company, was the senior partner and was also the controlling partner of the firm, and he was functioning as the sole liaisoning officer with the board. Said Mukherjee died on 24th November. After his death, there is a difficulty to reach out to the documents which he was having the sole knowledge and possession. Therefore, none of the original documents, as it appears from here, Lord, has been made available to the board.
7 or 8 is
And also includes the breakup of such number of candidates. It has emerged, but I'm reading it slowly, that the details of the candidates like roll numbers, name, father's name, etc. have deliberately not been entered in the resolution register, only to avoid detection and keep the entire act of commission discreet. The board has informed that no records, underline this, board has informed that no records regarding interview, aptitude tests, preparation of merit list panels, regarding appointments of candidates under the resolution of the board meetings for awarding 1 marks are available. It has emerged that those 270 candidates were recommended to the respective DPSCs for issuance of appointment letters under the signature of Ratna Chakraborty Akchi Swanso. The investigation has established that 264 candidates were appointed in a grossly irregular manner in pursuance to the criminal conspiracy between Partho Chatterjee and Manik Bhattacharya under the garb of resolution of the board for award of 0-1 marks to the undeserving candidates, which was approved by Partho Chatterjee. Next page. Investigation has revealed that much prior to the preparation of the additional panel of 270 candidates for appointment, an email dated so-and-so, along with a list of candidates containing roll number, name, mobile number, etc. of 752 candidates, was sent to email ID of Manik Bhattacharya. Email ID is there, I'm not reading that. The said email, along with the list of 752 candidates, was then forwarded to Prabir Banerjee, OSD, to the then Education Minister Partho Chatterjee from the email secretary of board. It was mentioned in the said email that the board is unable to upload the list of so-and-so list to this website due to server problem and requested the MIC to take necessary steps to upload the same. It was further mentioned that the heading of the list will be, quote, list of withheld candidates who are requested to submit particulars at room number so-and-so, only on working days. However, the dates of document verification were changed to 11th May 2017 to 16th May 2017 by Manik Bhattacharya, who also informed that those candidates would be called through SMS message for verification of the documents.
Yes.